Hello friend, welcome to Bug Bounty Hunting program. Today we will talk about what is Server-Side Request Forgery or SSRF. Server-Side Request Forgery vulnerabilities lets an attacker send crafted requests from the backend server of a vulnerable web application. Criminal uses SSRF attack to target internal systems that are behind firewalls and are not accessible from the external network. Therefore, an attacker may also leverage SSRF to access services available through the loopback interface, and that is 127.0.0.1 of the exploited server. In addition to that, SSRF vulnerabilities occur when an attacker has full or partial control of the request sent by the web application. A common example is when an attacker can control the third-party service URL to which the web application makes a request. Now, let's talk about what are the potential harm that are caused due to SSRF. If an attacker is able to control the destination of a server-side request, they can potentially perform the following actions. They can abuse the trust relationship between the vulnerable server and others. They can also bypass IP whitelisting. IP whitelisting is a security feature that limits and controls the access to trusted users. It can also bypass host-based authentication services, read resources which are not accessible to the public, such as trace.axd in ASP.NET or metadata APIs in an AWS environment. It can also scan the internal network to which the server is connected to, read files from the web server, view status pages, and interact with APIs as the web server. Basically, if an attacker is able to control the server-side request, then he is able to control the server, he is able to get a hold of the server. It can do great harm to the server and to the website. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.